Hi children, welcome to our Geography Olympiad class of Bright Stars High School. Before going into the class, let us see some pics of our national level competitors at Balaji International School, Mumbai. So these students have participated at national level during the years 2018 and 19 and also 19 and 20 academic years. The children have participated in two levels, seniors and juniors. Even the junior students have participated at national level. They are from second, third and fourth classes. So children have participated at juniors level and also at seniors level. According to the alphabetical order, we have seen Andhra Pradesh in our class 1, and now in class 2 we are going to learn about Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar, and the major cities of Arunachal Pradesh are Itanagar, Along, Tawang, Basir, Bomdila, Pashigat, Seppa, Zairo, and the total number of districts in Arunachal Pradesh are 20. Children, you have to remember and also note down all these things in your notebooks so that you can revise them and participate in the exams and also in the quiz competitions. Even after completion of every 5 states, we are going to conduct a quiz competition online. So this information is useful for you. So you have to note down all these things. Okay. Next, the tourist places of Arunachal Pradesh are Namdapha, Mauling National Parks, Sessa Orchid Sanctuary. Important historical sites are Malini, Bismarck Nagar in the Dibang Valley, Malinithan, Tembang Fortified Village, Golden Pagoda and Bisramunda. And next, Tawang Monasteries, Parshuram Kund, Bismarck Nagar and Eta Fort, cultural festivals in Zairo, Sela Lake in Bomdila, Kamlang Tiger Reserve. These are the famous tourist places in Arunachal Pradesh. If we see the location of Arunachal Pradesh, it is located in the far northeastern part of India. It is bordered by the states of Assam and Nagaland to the south. It shares international boundaries with Myanmar in the east, Bhutan in the west and China in the north. So, to its 3 sides, it is bounded by 3 foreign countries like Myanmar in the east, Bhutan in the west and China in the north. So this is the location of Arunachal Pradesh. Next, if we see geographical facts, most of Arunachal Pradesh terrain consists of deep valleys flanked by highland plateaus and ridges that rise to the peaks of the Great Himalayas. Farthest south is a series of foothills. Farther north, along the Tibetan border, lie the main ranges of the Great Himalayas. The Himalayan ranges running north-south divide the state into 5 river valleys. They are Kameng, Subansiri, Siang, Lohit and Tirak. So these are the geographical facts of Arunachal Pradesh. Regarding the rivers, the major river that flows through Arunachal Pradesh is the Brahmaputra. It's also known as Siang in Arunachal Pradesh. It has many tributaries which are famous for water sports. The second river is the Dibang. It's also called as Sikang. It originates near Keya Pass on the Indo-Chinese border in the Dibang Valley in Arunachal Pradesh. The third one is the Lohit River. It is also known as the River of Blood. It rises in the eastern Tibet in the Zayalchu range, flows through the Arunachal Pradesh. Important passes in Arunachal Pradesh are: Arunachal Pradesh has passes which help in the transportation of people and goods from international borders of our country. Bomdila Pass. This pass connects Kulu, Spiti and Lahul. The Bomdila Pass connects Arunachal Pradesh with Hassa, the capital city of Tibet. The next one is Dihang Pass. It is located in the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh. This pass connects Arunachal Pradesh with Myanmar. At an elevation of more than 4,000 meters, it provides passage. Dipu Pass. Dipu Pass is a mountain pass around the area of the disputed tri-point borders of India, China and Myanmar. Dipu Pass is also a strategic approach to eastern Arunachal Pradesh. It lies on the McMahon line. And the last pass is Pangsan Pass. It is located in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This pass connects Arunachal Pradesh and Myanmar. Pangsa Pass or Pansiang Pass, 3,727 feet and 1,136 in meters in altitude, lies on the crest of the Patkai Hills on the India-Burma, that is Myanmar border. The pass offers one of the easiest routes into Burma from the Assam plains. It is named after the closest Burmese village, Pangsa, that lies 2 kilometers beyond the pass to the east. So these are the passes which connect our country with foreign countries. And regarding airports, there is only one airport in Arunachal Pradesh. The main airport is situated in Itanagar. And the principal language of Arunachal Pradesh is English, and it is also the official language. Nishi, Dafia, Mizi, Mishmi, Monpa, Memba, Khamba, Gallo, Nishi, Tagin, Apatani, Tangsha, Nokte, Vanko, Olo, Tutsa, Tai Kamti, or Shan, and Singpho, Shedukpen, Adigelong, Tagin, etc. So there are more than 30 languages in practice in Arunachal Pradesh, and this is the highest number of regional languages in the Indian Constitution. And the interesting facts of Arunachal Pradesh are: Arunachal Pradesh is also called as Land of Sunrise of India, as the sun rises first in India at Arunachal Pradesh. And it is also called the Orchid State of India, and it is also called the Paradise of the Botanists, because so many botanical plants are available in Arunachal Pradesh. It is called as the Paradise of the Botanists. And it is also the largest among the northeast Indian states, and the lowest population density in India is in Arunachal Pradesh, and Arunachal Pradesh is also known as the nature's treasure trove. So these are the main informations about Arunachal Pradesh, and children, you have to learn all these things well, and you have to note down all these things well, so that you can participate in quiz programs and also in tests. Thank you.